Hey guys, so do you like the game Jurassic World Alive? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Jurassic World Alive. So this will give you unlimited money. So as you can see, we're not exactly rich, but when we press this button, we can actually add unlimited cash to our account. So I'm going to turn this up all the way. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you how to get this modded version for your device. So this works on iOS and Android, so let's give it a moment for this to go up, and then I'm going to show you how to download it. So let's see if it starts increasing, and then we're going to get into the video. So as you can see, it is now going up. So I'm going to show you how to get this modded version for your device. 2026, guys, super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website, I believe. So let me just type it in. Alright, so it's matrixmods.com. So here it is, Jurassic World Alive. So press download. So before the mod downloads, there's going to be a verification process. So this is just where we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required for Jurassic World Alive. So we need to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions, which are completely free. So we have Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So it takes me to the App Store, and I would just play this until I reached level 9. So that's super easy, guys. So just make sure you do 2 of them, and you're going to be good to go. So yeah, peace out, guys. This actually works 2026. So make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So that's how to get Jurassic World Alive hack for your device. Unlimited money. So let's go to the App Store and type in Jurassic World just so I can show you how bad this is. So as you can see, here it is. You do not need it installed, by the way. This is a separate modded version. But look at this. Very, very expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're not really the paying type. But one thing I'll say is make sure you go settings. You got low power mode off. Go general, and you got background app refresh turned on. So other than that, guys, you're going to be good to go. But I'm going to see you guys later. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about how to hack Jurassic World Alive. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, get the word out, guys, if you like Jurassic World Alive. Unlimited money, guys. This is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, get unlimited cash, and make yourself rich. So super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another one, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So get the word out, and you give it a shot. You know, we need to get the whole crew in on this if we're going to educate the masses about Jurassic World Alive hack. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys. Totally works. So get the word out. This is updated and everything for 2026. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. It actually works, you know. Jurassic World Alive Money Mod 2026, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, get the word out right away. Enjoy it. And this works in 2026, so I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's just super cool. And it's updated, so have fun, guys. Enjoy it. But yeah, this is ready for you guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace out, guys, and have fun today.